Good afternoon, everyone, from beautiful Orlando, Florida. Today's adventure brings us to Icon Park in Orlando, Florida. And we are going down. I'm going to give you a full tour of Icon Park. So here we go. This is Icon Park in Orlando, Florida. It's home of the enormous Ferris wheel, Madame Tussauds Hall of Wax Museum, the Orlando Sea Life Aquarium. The Icon Park gift shop is also here. You can also get you a snow cone. So join me and I will take you around on a brief tour of Icon Park in Orlando, Florida on International Drive. I just love that huge wheel. That's really, really high. They have Uncle Julio's over there. As we round the corner, put the capsule on your playlist. You got Bluetooth in the capsule. Look at that. I think this is a very beautiful view. You know why? Isn't that awesome? That up there is called the Wheelhouse Market. And I'm going to take you for a tour inside of there in just a little while. That's where the Wax Museum and the Sea Life Museum is in. And I am going to link that below. That is a huge wheel. They have some really cool stuff in there. And I heard that's a really nice ride up there. It's a 25-minute trip around one rotation. Let's head over here to the train and take a look. That's the entrance to the Icon Park place where you go and get your tickets. This is called the Pearl Express train station. This is a really neat place. This is really neat. Let's get in. Say Adventuring with Chloe.
Huh?
I'm on YouTube.
Me?
I'm on YouTube.
And now you are.
And now you're on YouTube.
Me?
Yeah, nice to meet you. What's your? I'm a YouTuber.
Oh.
I sure am. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Jerby.
Jervy. Well, nice to meet you.
Are you famous right now or no?
Yeah, you'll be famous.
You're gonna be famous.
Really?
You're at the Icon Park, right?
Uh-huh.
All right. Well, we're gonna be. I'm gonna give you a link to my.
You can't.
Yes. See you soon. Tell YouTube. See you soon. Peace. There y'all go. Woo! Oh, they're cute. Icon Park, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. We're going around the park. I hear that train a-coming. Hey!
Museum of Illusion right there to the right.
Uh-huh. This is really beautiful out here. Here we come back around. Down there's another entrance into Icon Park. They got snacks over there. Cotton candy. They've got cotton candy over there too. That is an old red. I like the name of that bar because it looks like a dog. Old Red. We just, oh yeah, look at that. Tapatoro. Yeah. I love that fountain there too. That's a great, oh, look at that. The iconic fountain.
And the iconic eye. Look at that.
Uh-huh. I got a picture of it. Wow.
I'm going to come get a picture there.
Okay. That's the other entrance. Hey. Oh, well, this is fun. I love Icon Park. Hey.
Oh, that's it.
We're turning around. There we go. Woohoo! 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 Hey! This is a really fun train ride. If you're ever down here, ride the train with your kids. Oh. Go Knowles! Yeah, Florida State. Now we're stopping. Oh, this is fun. Hey. Oh, that was a lot of fun, y'all. Woo! That was fun. That was a fun ride. Okay, I love this place. Let's walk into Icon Park, and we're going to take a small tour around the center of this place here. Yes, if you have children or teens, you can. There's a little arcade there. There's also a Hall of Wax there. Let me walk over here. You want to walk over here? Let's walk over here. And I'm going to show you a little bit of the arcade. Now, they've got a retail shop at the Hall of Wax. That's a really cool place to go. You can also get you a coin. That's the arcade. They've got all kinds of games in there. They also have VR games. That's awesome. Over here, is the entry point to the big wheel. That is an awesome, awesome place. Never been on it though, but it looks interesting.
Oh, it's really nice.
It is?
Yes, if you just want to break from everything, you know, it moves really slow, so it's not like a fast Ferris wheel. And you can grab a drink, like an alcoholic beverage or whatever,
Oh.
and take it on there and just, you know, enjoy the
might do it next time I'm down here in Orlando.
Yeah.
Seems interesting. I'm gonna do a YouTube video for y'all too. Nice to meet you. And I love that TV screen right there. That looks like a 7D park ride. 7D dark ride, okay. Icon Orlando. I know that's a really fun ride. Over here's the Wheelhouse Market. Right over there is Sea Life. I'll link that video below. That's a really, really cool place to visit. They've got all kinds of ocean creatures. And it's a really cool place to walk around. This is called the Wheelhouse Market. And merch shop. I'm going to walk in here and show you the merch shop. And over there's the Hall of Wax. That's a really cool place. We were just there yesterday. They have 1905 pizza and pasta. And over here, I think these are really, really neat because they have all kinds of personalized mugs. Awesome. This is y'all's merch shop. Really, really neat. I just had to get a cup. I had to.
Right.
It was beautiful. It's just too beautiful to pass up. Right. It's for my mom. It'll be very special.
Right. All right. Yeah.
This is the area where they offload people from the wheel. There's some tumblers right there. If you want to come into the Icon Park merch shop, you're more than welcome to. They call that the Sky Bar. And over there they've got the pastels and the tie-dyes. So it's a really, really neat place to visit. If you want to visit the Icon Park, they've got hats. The wheel at Icon Park, they've got golf balls. They have refrigerator magnets. So this is a really, really neat place. Really neat place to go. And you can just see the cabins up there. See how big those cabins are? You can get your picture taken back there on the wall. They have photos. Let's go on out and walk back around the Icon Park. And again, this is a unique place to visit. Free parking in the parking deck. They've got Cokes, waters, beautiful shirts. I like that one up there too. That's an interesting fact about the Sky Wheel. Sky Bar. It's an experience to share. Touch screen. Oh, you can get your pennies there. I may come back and get a penny. I love the lighting here too. It's really unique. And they have pretty good food over there at the Wheelhouse Market. But if you're right beside the Wheelhouse Market, there's the merch shop right there. One thing I will take note of is Icon Park Wi-Fi has complimentary Wi-Fi. So if you need Wi-Fi, this is the place to come. In order to connect to this Wi-Fi, you have to type in your email address and your name. They do have a bar. If you love getting a good drink, they do have a bar where you can sit. That's where you enter to get on the wheel. That right there is a 7D dark ride. They have 3 features. They have the Zombie, the Mirror Maze, and the Los Banditos and the Carnival. But I love that big screen right there. Icon Park is really a unique place. You can see everything from there, and I would really like to go up when they have the next SpaceX launch from Kennedy Space Center, Cape Canaveral, Florida. I think that would be great. They would get a great ride. love Icon Park. They do have portable chargers here. We'll take note of that. And that's where you buy your tickets. I'll take you for a stroll through the center of, right down through this way, through the center of the park, over to the fountains. This is a really neat area. This is hub grass, fake grass. But it's pretty. They have a Ben and Jerry's. They have also glowworms with this beautiful fountain in the middle. That's so beautiful. It's cool that they have a little lake, a little pond area around the lounge there. Right over there is International Trail. That is a beautiful, beautiful, iconic view right there. They have cell phone accessories here also. That is such a beautiful view. I'll say it over and over again. I love that. I love it. And I love all of the palm trees here. It's just a really nice place to come and walk and spend your afternoon. It's really a neat place, really. I love it. If you're looking for Disney gifts here at Icon Park, they have a gift shop right over there. And I may walk in here and show you what's in there real quick. But anyway, if you're looking for a good gift, this is the place to come. They also have snow cones. And if you need some good sunglasses, they have Ray-Ban sunglasses here too. I think that's 450 feet up there. That's pretty high. If you've enjoyed this Icon Park walkthrough, give this video a thumbs up. I've also linked my Etsy page below. I've got cool merch. Check it out. We're going up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're going up. Thank you so much for watching.